Hello dear students, today we will learn Standard 7 subject Art and Craft. Let's start next drawing. Number 34, face proportions means proportion. So it is of how to do for face, how to draw face properly, and then after which side eyes, which base exactly, which base is nose, lips. It is of how to set. You have to see from this drawing. Okay, so although the proportions of head will vary from person to person, means person to person will be changed. Okay, now so proportions is changes, means one person and other person also change. Okay, so here slightly with age, and age also it is most important. There are some basic principles you can follow the important your drawing. You can use these to check the general size, means you have to see that general size, shapes and positions of feathers in your drawings. The proportions of the head can be divided horizontally. Okay, now divided it is of horizontal lines into the equal quarters. Into the equal quarters means this part in equal. Okay, this part equal part. Okay, now this. Okay, equal. Then after this part it is of horizontal line, right? So this also here giving the first quarter measure means this part. The first part it is quarter measure from the top of the head down. Okay, now the first quarter measure from the top of the head down to the hairline, is this hairline. Okay, so it is of hairlines. Okay, now after the second quarter, means this is of second quarter, measure from the hairlines first and then after second. First line it is the hair down to the hairlines. Okay, then started from hairlines, right? And then after the second quarter, so measure this second. Okay, measure from the hairlines down to the eyes. See this, down to the eyes middle of the head, this part. Okay, this part. And the third quarter contain most of the feathers. At the top of the sections the eyes are, means this part in between. Okay, at the top of these sections the eyes are usually level with the ears, and at the bottom nose, this part. Okay, at the bottom nose is regularly level. Okay, with the ear lobes. This part means this part and this part means nose where it is come. So it is come third quarter, this part. Okay, third quarters. Then eyes will be third in between come. Okay, and then after this quarter So this part you can use of this part. Okay, so it is on of ears and the bottom part we can draw the nose. Okay, now the final quarters stretches the okay, the final quarters stretches from the base of the nose, now this part, to the chin mouth. Okay, with the chin mouth positioned just above the halfway mark, this mark. Okay, so here now this bottom part, in between this part, and then in this one by one. Okay, so first quarter, okay, then lines, then after third, okay, and this last is final. Okay, same way side faces. Okay, side faces also same way, the first quarter now measure from the top head down, and then here hair lines come. Okay, like this type hair lines, right? And then after second quarter measured the hairlines. Here my hairlines is over that here, and then start from this face. Okay, and in between eyes come, and then third quarter contains to most, what is the top section? Top section is eyes are usually level here. Okay, this part. Okay, usually level. Okay, with the ears, and the bottom the nose this. So it is of bottom nose, this part. Okay, is level to earlobes. Okay, so this part and this part you have to see that it is of most important. Okay, and the final quarters same way side face, right? So here are also stretches from the base of the nose to the chin with the mouth positions just above the halfway mark, So these proportions will be only work if we share the same eyes level as the subject. They will become destroyed if we view the head from above or below. So dear students, here what we'll do now is just giving that, see this part. Okay, so this part, and then after in between means ear is there. So ears top, here top bottom is there, their side started ear, and then this last part means ending of ear, then it is opposite side. You can use see this nose. Okay, so ending of nose. Okay, so here after final quarters stretches, and from this nose little bit downside this part. So here you can start from the leaf. Okay, understand? So dear students, now this is of basic face proportions. So you can do just to see this how to draw. Okay, do practice in sketchbook. Okay, and if you sketchbook you don't have, then it's okay, just you have to see these basic face proportions. Okay, so now you see that how to draw. Okay, so if you do practice, then do practice in your sketchbook. Okay, thank you.